My name is Justin Roberts, and I am the lead fabricator for print, service, and manufacturing. I found prints on an online hiring site, and I've been here for 3 years now. I like working here because in my department we're all very open with each other, very honest. We're not scared to say you messed up, and we're also not scared to help them improve. I like the honesty that we have with each other. There's nobody going behind everybody's back and saying anything, because we're all straightforward with each other. If there's tough love, we give tough love, and we also make sure everybody is succeeding and improving. That's what my culture is like there. I started back in November, 3 years ago, November 11th, and when I first started, I was just a welder, and I just gotten out of school and for welding and joining technology, and I decided to put that towards a place such as this, and I started from there and gradually got better and better through all the experience that I got here, and eventually I made my way to one of the top guys to now I'm leading the fabrication department. My lead position, I usually take it as someone who makes sure everything is getting out of here efficiently with quality, making sure my guys get the help they need to answer all the questions that they have, and find answers to any questions that we need to find answers to. I love the work. I love building, welding, putting things together, reading blueprints. It's like fancy puzzles, just out of metal. I hope to make this a career, and I hope to improve consistently all the time. With all the new jobs and new customers that we're getting in now, it's going to be a lot of area for development and improvement. Did you get the cap off?